Hello, everyone, and thank you for being here. My name is Matthew D. Coralde, and today I want to talk about two concepts that impact our daily lives in ways we might not realize: the monetary policy and exchange rates. I know this term can sound a bit complex, but let's break them down and understand how they're connected and why they matter.
Let's start with monetary policy. Basically, monetary policy is how a country's central bank, like the Federal Reserve in the US, the European Central Bank, or Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, manages the economy by controlling interest rates and the amount of money in circulation. The main goal of monetary policy are pretty straightforward. The first one is to stabilize prices, which mean keeping inflation or deflation in check. The second one is to promote economic growth. So there are more job opportunities, more business investment, and generally more spending in the economy. It has two primary tools. The first one is interest rates. If the bank raises interest rates, it becomes more expensive to borrow money, which usually slows down spending and inflation. On the other hand, if they lower rates, borrowing becomes cheaper, encouraging spending and investment. The other one is the open market operations. This means buying or selling government securities, like bonds. When the central bank buys bonds, it's putting more money into the economy, encouraging spending. Selling bonds takes money out, which slow down the economic activity. Now let's talk about exchange rates. Simply put, an exchange rate is the price at which one currency can be exchanged for another. For example, if you're in the Philippines and you want to exchange pesos for US dollars, the exchange rate tells you how much your peso worth in dollar. Exchange rates constantly fluctuate due to several factors, such as interest rates. Higher interest rates often attract foreign investors, which increases demand for the currency and make it stronger. Next one is inflation. Countries with low inflation generally have stronger currencies since their money retains more purchasing power. And lastly, economic stability. Investors prefer stable economies with good growth prospects, so politics or economic stability can strengthen a currency. Now here's where monetary policy and exchange rates interact. When a central bank changes interest rate, it can indirectly impact the currency value in the foreign exchange market. If the central bank raises interest rates, the currency can become more attractive to foreign investors, increasing its demand. This often strengthens the currency, making imports cheaper, but it makes exports more expensive for other countries. On the other hand, if the central banks lower interest rates, the currency may be less appealing to investors, leading to a decrease in demand and a weaker currency. This can make exports cheaper and more competitive internationally, but can make imports more expensive. In short, by adjusting interest rates and managing money flow, central banks can indirectly influence the exchange rate, but they have to balance these decisions carefully, as each choices impact trade, prices, and economic stability.
In summary, monetary policy and exchange rates are tightly connected, and they shape the economy both locally and globally. Central banks uses these tools to stabilize prices and promote growth, which in turn affects currency values and our daily lives. Everything from the cost of goods to the ease of international travel. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this has made the relationship between monetary policy, exchange rates, and our daily lives a little clearer.